Hello friends, my name is Ramesh and you're watching the How to Master YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use your phone as a mic on PC in Windows 10. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you have to download and install a software which is called HowTo Master. The link of the software will be in the description, so go there and download the software and install it. After installation of the software, you will have to install the drivers for it. The drivers link will be in the description also. After installing the driver, you will have to restart your computer and then load the HowTo Master software. After running the software, you have to click on this connect button, and in the connect button you will see a screen in which you have the transport section, and in the transport section you have to select USB. After selecting the USB option in transport section, you will have to turn on the USB debugging in the developer options of your smartphone in Android phone. So here's how to do it. You can see on the right side of the screen, and you can do as I am doing in the video. After the developer room option is turned on and you have turned on the USB debugging, now you have to install an application on your phone which is HowTo Master. And after installing the software HowTo Master, you have to connect the USB cable to your phone and to your PC. Now go to the application in your phone and then go to the settings. After going to settings, you have to click on transport and select USB from the transport section. Then go back and then tap on this play button, and after tapping on play button, you have to go to your PC, and in the PC you have to click on connect. And when you will connect on your PC, the connection will be established between your PC and your smartphone. But before you can use your smartphone as a mic on your PC, you have to do a little bit of setting. For that, you have to go to the start button. After going to start button, you have to tap on settings. In the settings, you will see the first system settings. Go there and then go to sound in the section, and in the sound section you will see input, where you have to select microphone as a HowTo Master, and you are ready to go. So guys, that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button. Do share with your friends. Also, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press on bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.